Hello everyone, welcome to the foundational course on Linux. Linux plays a vital role when it comes to embedded systems, supercomputers, to name a few. During this course, we will touch upon the fundamental operations one can carry out in a Linux system. Linux, as an OS, comes with many distributions and flavors, which gives it a capability to be used in a whole array of operations. As Linux is a system, we have a capability to install it as a standalone system or with a virtual machine. This aspect can be depending on what is needed for the operation. We will be using a virtual machine for running our Linux system. Linux users predominantly use the command line for carrying out operations and command. But similar to other OS present, we have the GUI aspect which can be used as well. We are able to use the Linux system the same way Windows and MacOS can be. When it comes to the working of different files and the structure, we can say it is broken into three aspects, where depending upon the use and ownership, they have different capabilities and permissions which give the operator multiple levels of work. When it comes to programming, just like in Windows and Mac, we have both GUI and command line based programming IDE. This helps users program based on the need and ease. We are also able to work on multiple programming languages. Linux system works on package systems where we will be using different package management systems to keep our system updated. We are also able to use the command line to handle package management. Each distribution has a particular type of package management system. This is a wonderful course to understand and work on the fundamentals of Linux. I hope to see you guys in the future sessions of this course. Thank you.